Hello friends, hi, this is Ganesh Nayak. Now tomorrow you're going to give the CFA exam. So this video I'm going to be talking about what to do before the actual exam day. There are a few points that you should focus on. The first one, review key concepts. On the last day, just focus, don't trouble yourself by reading all the content. Focus only on say some flashcard or some summary notes that you have created. Focus on reading the formula, and if there is a definition, read through that properly. Refresh your memory on some important essential information. The second point that you should focus on is where exactly your center is. Okay, make sure that you are aware the center location. What is the fastest route to reach over there? Double check the address so that avoid any last moment mistake, and make sure that you arrive at the center properly. The third point, don't forget the proper documents. When you're going for the CFA exam, the most important document is your passport. So passport and your calculator. Please make sure that you do not make any mistake with that. Okay. Along with that, please take a print of the schedule of the location that you've done. Take a print of that. That is the admit card also. And make sure that all your exam day logistics, all your exam day requirements are fulfilled at the start itself. Do not make any last moment stress. The final point, get a very good night's sleep. That I would suggest take a 7-8 hour proper sleep before the exam, because a good quality sleep can actually help you to boost your focus, memory and brain power, and can help you to do better in your actual exam day. So do not take that much stress one night before the exam, because even if you try to mug up a lot of things, it is not going to help much. So focus on taking a good night's sleep before the exam. So all these 4 points you should ideally follow before the actual day of the exam, and wish you best of luck for your exam.